everyone, this is BOISTEANU, and today we're gonna unbox a adapter, Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, but in the same time we're gonna talk about differences between two adapters and what you should buy in order to connect properly your devices. I mean, from iPod, from iPhone, from iPad, towards your camera or towards your Mac or computer or any device what you're gonna use. Right, so as you can see here we have Lightning, and here we have just one single USB. But sometimes it's not enough. You need to power your devices. So that's the reason why we gonna unbox this adapter just now and to talk about this. So as you can see, the difference is very clear. So here we have our USB, here we have our USB, but the difference is the charging point. So Lightning, so you're gonna charge your devices in order to power up. So here we have, as you can see, we have a picture. So you're connecting your device, and after you are connecting to your charger, and you're connecting at the same time through USB to your camera. Okay, so I strongly recommend to buy this adapter in order to avoid any kind of issues and to do your job properly. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.